To view your job titles, you can go to the Company Settings by going to Company and Settings from the drop-down. This will take you to the settings in which you can search for the job titles, which is under Employees and Job Titles. Here you can see all the job titles in your stripping system already, and you can also add new job titles or edit existing ones. To edit existing ones, you can just click on the hyperlink, and this will take you into the job title information to add more details. You can also add a brand new job title by clicking the Add New Job Title button. This will take you to a screen in which you can add the job title name, and you can add the staffing level. The staffing level is how many employees you need to operate this job title. So for instance, for client coordinators, let's say I want 3 client coordinators, I can add that here, and then as I hire new employees, I can see how far off track or on track I am to meet that desired staffing level requirement. Here you have your time off categories as well. So if I had multiple time off categories, I could say which ones do I want this job title to have access to. And then finally down here you can add or edit your job description. So this is what the client coordinator should be doing or what their job description entails. And you have multiple different formatting tools for your needs when adding in a job description as well. Once you're ready, you can click Save and Close, and then the new job title will be accessible, and I can scroll down and see my new job title and how far on track or off track I am to the desired staffing level. Now that I have the client coordinator position, I can go ahead and add a new employee and assign them that job title, or make a job posting to hire new employees for the job title as well.